I did a rotation in medical school on a cardiac surgery service. It was an elective rotation that I chose, and when I showed up, they were like, med students never do this rotation. What are you doing here? And I was like, I don't know, I thought it would be cool. And then I matched at the Cleveland Clinic. It was a surgery program that I really liked when I interviewed, but honestly, I didn't put two and two together that it's the #1 heart center in the world. And then through my surgery training, I tried to figure out what specialty I wanted to do, and eventually realized that cardiothoracic surgery is what I want to do. And then I ended up staying here for my cardiothoracic surgery training, and then staying on the staff and getting additional training, doing minimally invasive and endovascular kind of novel therapies. And met my wife here in Cleveland. We've raised our family here. My family's from Detroit, hers is from Pittsburgh. So Cleveland has just become our home, and Cleveland Clinic is my home, and that's it. That's that. I mean, I remember when I interviewed for the residency position here in cardiothoracic surgery, and I went in and sat down with Dr. Cosgrove. I think it was Dr. Cosgrove and Dr. Bamberry were interviewing me, and they said, "Why should we take you? What do you want to do with your life? You know, what's your goals?" And I said to them, I said, "I want to take care of the patients that nobody else wants to take care of. I want to take care of the people that really need the most intense care, and you know, that are the biggest challenges." And they laughed and they said, "Oh, like what we do here." And I said, "Yeah, that's it." You know, in my OR, my team always knows that, like, when we're operating on somebody, you know, I share a story about them. You know, this guy is a professor who's still teaching classes at the age of 79 years old. This person is the brother and sister of 2 other patients of mine who all have the same disease process, and you know, finding the one thing in one brother saved his siblings' lives. They all have a story.